everybody. It's Jody from Soft Soul Yoga. How are you? Oh my God, I'm here. Okay, let me get the camera situated. Hang on. All right. So I figure I come on, and it was a little sunny over there, but everything is in full bloom. Spring is in the air. I'm super excited, and I figured I'd do it in the corner of the house. So I miss all of you. I was off yesterday, so I'm putting together something really special for later, a video of my day yesterday, and I'm going to see how that comes out, and I'm trying to just do some editing, but we were in the city yesterday, and I had a day off. It felt amazing, but I am happy. I am back. I am here. I cannot wait to stretch with you all, and I think we need to push this back a little bit, though. I'm not feeling the camera, so give me a second, like that. Let's see how that works. Better? Yes, now you can see my mat. Okay, perfect. So the hair is up in a ponytail today, so it is 82 degrees here. I cannot believe it. I am looking so forward. How is everybody? I hope everybody had a great day. Oh my God, I'm outside. I'm so happy. We're gonna do some stretching, and we are going to breathe. And I feel so excited because I'm here. So the first thing I want to talk about was my day. I am so grateful that I had a beautiful day yesterday. I was in Manhattan, NYC. Beautiful. It was amazing. People are high energy. Went to go see a Broadway show. If you all remember, I want you all to put it in the comments below on what I went to go see. I'm not going to say it yet, so because I want to see if people will guess. That's the fun of it. So put it in the comments below. If you're new to my channel, welcome. We're here. We are going to exercise. We're going to do some yoga. We're going to do some soft soul, all beginner, intermediate. It's for my 50 and over club out there. And I'm just happy to be here. I mean, granted, yes, the city was busy, and I just couldn't wait to get there, hence the traffic. And then we got there, and it was just like amazing. And I'm gonna definitely show you on the next video, will be about that. I took some B-roll and some snippets, so I want you really to tune in and take a look at it. I didn't publish it yet, but I know I was supposed to do a live video yesterday, but I did not, because I needed a Jody day. Even though this is like a Jody day, I just needed some time for some relaxation and some fun. So again, we went to the city, and we had lunch down there, and everything is just big and grand. And when you live in the country, I love the beauty, and I love the nature, and I just love being, I did the city many, many, many moons ago. I'm not going to get into it, but yeah, I lived there for 5 years. But now I'm like, I am so happy I live out in the country. So, but then again, I'm like, yesterday was amazing. The city was so alive, and I still am feeling that buzz from it. So with that being said, don't forget to try to guess what Broadway show I went to go see yesterday. And today we are going to do a little soft soul stretching, and I brought my blocks, because we're gonna have to sit on these a little bit, and we're gonna breathe. We're gonna do some techniques, and I missed everybody. So let me just think of what else I want to say. Yeah, so I got back late, and then off to bed, and then off to work today, and now I'm home, and I showered, and I'm here. But you know what? like I said, I think I'm going to leave the hair up in a ponytail because it is warm and it feels amazing. So give me 1 second. Okay. So let's start with some breathing, right? And then we're going to do some rollovers. I hope everybody is doing great. I miss you all. So, mwah, sending you love and hugs. Okay. And thank you for following me on my Patreon channel. I'll have a new episode there for tonight. Bleh. Okay. That was like a big beetle in my head. All right. I do love the outside. All right. So let's sit up straight. Oh, and today's outfit. OOTD, outfit of the day. We are wearing an airy bathing suit, which is my workout outfit. So let's start with a stretch. And let's reach over and stretch all of this out. This always feels good at the end of the day. And we're gonna go to the other side. Oh God, so good. And we're gonna, oh wait, you can't even see my feet. And we're gonna hold. Tomorrow is Jody Beauty Day. Get my nails done, pedicure. Any color, new color I should pick? You could drop that in the comments as well. Okay, let's switch sides and stretch. Try to grab the back of your foot. Hold it. And just listen. Oh, it feels good. Oh, and we're gonna stretch. And bring your arms up. And over. Take a block and we're going to sit on it. Oh, there we go. So actually, so you can see it, we're going to sit this way on our block. We're going to cross our legs and we're going to reach over. Lower back. This and stretch. This gets your whole leg going. And we're going to go this way and stretch. Oh, I feel so good. Okay, give me 1 second. Okay. We're going to do a little cat-cow. We're going to stretch out our bum and our lower back. A lot of people wanted me to do, oh my gosh, rock the baby. So we may be doing rock the baby again, but let's start with some rotation. And bend, lift your legs, and roll back. And come to the mat, and almost push-ups. Let's move this over here. Okay. Hi. I think this is a better view. Okay. Oh, let's go this way. We're gonna lift. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And up. Excellent. We'll switch up. Just want to turn it this way so we can see. And stretch. We're going to lift this leg up. Pulse. Down. Yeah. Okay. Oh my God. That was just the best. I'm already feeling it all in here. My calves. Oh, so great. So, what do you all have for this evening? I am making a chicken in the oven. I'm making a baked chicken because I need protein. And, you know, with the diet that I do a lot of high protein, veggies. I am not one for fish. Odd as that sounds, I stopped eating fish for a while, especially because of parasites. And I stick to mainly chicken and vegetables. That's pretty much my diet. I thrive in grains and beans, and I just love getting all that protein and carbs and fiber and stuff like that. Pasta is very good for you. So tonight is baked chicken with small little potatoes, and so I'm excited. Honey's probably on his way home, and we are on the farm today. No leg barns, but what else can we do? We did some breathing, we did some leg lifts. And remember, again, I do everything on the mat. Nothing is high paced here. So I just try to keep it simple, get the heart going, and exercise the brain, and definitely walk. So make sure you walk out there, guys and gals. But I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers, all my followers, everybody who has like commented and loved my outfits, and you guys just like really make my day. You have no idea. So I was happy to be out here, and I cannot wait to edit this and just throw it up there and see all of you again. And don't forget to that's our crow. Yep, that's Natus. We named him. Very smart. Brings us offerings all the time. Yep. Hey, Natus. 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 He'll answer. See? He knows. Yeah. Hey, buddy. Natus. Very smart crow. Comes back every year. So, again, don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me on all my other platforms. They're linked in my bio. I have a new Memorial Day page set up for Amazon, so don't forget to hit that. And hopefully I get some collaborators and we can do some fun stuff with clothing. So you guys and gals all know I love my outfits. So, mwah. All right, that is it for today. So I'll see you later. Bye.